Hi, morning guys. Rob Bentos TV. Another day, another run, jog, and walk. Alright, andito tayo sa padulukan ng Spectrum Midway and Parkway dito sa Philinvest Corporate City. As you can see, space dito, bakante, kung saan na-enjoy ng mga joggers every morning and even sa afternoon. Maraming joggers dito and walkers. But despite that, kasabay ang development din dito. So ayan, that's an example ng development dito sa Philinvest Corporate City. New building being raised up again. And doon sa kabilang dulo, sa Commerce Avenue, tsaka sa Spectrum Avenue naman, Spectrum Midway. So yun, you can see maraming joggers na nag-enjoy dito every morning, even in the afternoon. Maraming walkers, joggers, and yung iba tambay lang kasi kita nyo naman yung greeneries dito. Ang daming puno gitna where you can sit and have yan. May nagbabike din, meron din. Kanina nakasalubong nga mag-ama, siguro mga 3 years old yung anak niya, nakabike. O yun, habang yung anak niya nasa bike siya, nag-walking. So ito yung kahabaan ng Spectrum Midway. And then meron din nga palang dyan, driving range. Alabang, mostly naman sa mga puno, they were lined up along the streets, no? Tabi lang ng sidewalks. Kaya if you're going to look at it on a bird's eye view, no, o yung top view, most of the greens are grasses. Yung grasses dun sa mga lote na possible na pagtayuan ng mga buildings. So yun. So most of the trees are lined up dun sa mga walkways. So hindi may istorbo yung mga yan. So even magkaroon ng mga buildings dyan, hindi lahat ng puno along the pathway aalisin o mawawala. So definitely mag-stay pa rin sila. So eventually pa-enjoy pa rin yung city jungle, kumbaga, wherein magkatabi ang mga nagtataas sa mga building soon na itatayo dito. So enjoying the both worlds, no? Corporate jungle and environment friendly walkways or pathways. So yun. Tapos ito, may designated Central Park naman dito eh. Itong strip na to, ito designated park yan. You can see may stage dyan. Kasi dyan nagkakaroon ng mga events. And dyan nagkakaroon ng mga events. O ayan, activities. Tapos ito naman yung picnic ground. Yan, may picnic ground dyan. Siguro more than siguro mga 300,000 square meters yan. Approximate lang naman, ano, pero maluwag din yan. Tapos ito pa, same din ng laki. Tapos may stage, so dyan yung ginagawang program and activities. So ayan pala, meron silang line up ng activities dito. So yan, December 13, Earl Agustin, San Kislola, last Sunday ata ito eh. So yan, tomorrow, December 7, Holiday Lights Symphony at Philinvest City. Yeah, yung lightings. So yan. So December 7 at 7 p.m. every 30 minutes light show. Also December 7, may fireworks display. December 7 and 20 yun. So, may mga live performances din. 7, 14, 20, and 21. Starting at 6 p.m. And of course, Friday to Sunday, 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Yung mga eats by the park. Dyan yung street na yan. Yung strip na yan, kainan yan. Alabang, Philinvest Corporate City. You can come by here. Saturday, bukas, may mga events sila starting from 5 p.m. and onwards. So, kung wala kayong mga gagawin, pwede kayong swing by here and join the fun. Dito kami, ganito lang kami sa Muntinlupa, Philinbus Corporate City. Yo, right. See you guys. Enjoy the weekend. God bless everyone.